What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video on this channel. It's your boy Gabbyproscra. Been a while since I haven't dropped, it's been so cold outside and all of us were not good. Today we're back on it, and in front of us here you can see I've made some chords and we're going to be going through these. So not to waste so much time, let's play these chords and you're here. This chord, you can use any string that you know. There's so many strings inside. After making this loop, you can still use this same loop to go into another instrument and you play another sound. So here I played a piano. Here is the sound of the piano. First line where I played the first instrument, it was a simple one, so I just added in some more keys in the one for the piano, so then we got this sound. So after I went and added some electric piano because I wanted it more deeper. Same, I just copied the same pattern and I added down. We're in G minor. As you can hear, that one is a bit kind of warm, like a pad. Then I added something to add the sound more louder. Another sound is Tesla pipe. That one is coming from Flex. I know you know Flex is a free plugin. You can get it. Yeah, let's go. After I added another one, this was brush. You can also use any brush. Most of these things are free plugins, like they come mostly with the software. So it sounded like this. That hot sound. After brush, I added a string again, the same string I played at first. That was in the hand. Then after, I added a guitar. As you can see, I'm just following the same chord. We're just playing, changing it to be making some different sound, because when you're playing on guitar, it should not be the same. So I just did. Even me, I don't know anything about chords, so you can go look for another video on YouTube. There's so many videos there outside talking about chord progression. Me, I don't know anything about chord progression. I just play what I think it's right. So if you also one of me, let's get straight with it. So as you can, that was the vinyl guitar. It's also a free plugin. So then I added some flute to add the source. This flute is also a free plugin. It comes with the software. As you can see, I told you most times when I'm making my beats, I just be using stock plugins. I don't always have many downloaded plugins. So I added what we call kalimba. It's also in Flex. So it sounds like this. But that one was simple. The bass sounded like this. Yeah, that groovy. For the kick, I did some simple clap. Just like that, then I added the kick. And some more little crash in the middle, another clap in the middle, then we have the snare. Simple as that. So now the full beat sounds like this. I thought about adding some more sauce and we came up with something like this. So copyright, we're not going to play the whole of it, but if you want to listen to it, I'm soon going to build a beat channel. I'll be uploading them there. So make sure you subscribe and keep coming back for more. If you subscribe, hit that like button or just comment.